can't go.
Hello everyone, let's have a look at this week's economic news. Thanks, Girl.
Key points of this week. Trump signs breakthrough Phase 1 trade deal with China. Phase 1 trade deal signed by the United States and China finally. U.S. President Donald Trump and Chinese Vice Premier Liu He signed the Phase 1 trade deal on Wednesday in the White House, parting at least one cloud that hung over the global economy from a nearly 2-year trade war. Here are some of the highlights in the trade agreement. China agreed to strengthen intellectual property protection, use criminal penalties for those caught stealing trade secrets, and open up its financial services sector to foreign investment. In the agreement, China has agreed to increase its purchases from the US by roughly $200 billion over 2 years, using 2017 pre-trade war levels as a base. That includes roughly $50 billion in agricultural products. Trump said US and China will start to work on Phase 2 to their trade agreement as soon as the first phase kicks in, and tariffs will all come off as soon as we finish Phase 2. He spoke at the Phase 1 signing ceremony. We don't expect to have a Phase 3. U.S. Treasury Department on Monday before the ceremony said China should no longer be designated a currency manipulator. It seems clearly the world's two largest economies are willing to return to the negotiable table to help rebalance the relationship and ease the trade war. World markets rose on economic optimism and Wall Street remained near record highs on Thursday. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed above 29,000 for the first time, at 29,204 points. And the S&P 500 were up to 3,307 points and climbed to a fresh all-time high. Stocks rose to the highest level on Friday. Dow climbed at 29,348. The S&P 500 jumped to 3,329 points and Nasdaq Composite spiked to 9,388. U.S. shares hit all-time highs. Stock markets in Hong Kong rose because of Wall Street kept soaring high. The former gained 2,200 points last 6 weeks and it closed above 29,000 on Tuesday. The benchmark Hang Seng Index last stood at 29,056 points on Friday. It closed up 173 points or 0.6% and traded between 29,101 and 28,813. Turnover totaled 111.361 billion Hong Kong dollars. The Hang Seng China Enterprises Smart Index closed 0.81% higher at 11,419 points. And turnover totaled 32.934 billion Hong Kong dollars. Hang Seng China Affiliated Corporations Index fell 0.15% at 4,596 points. Its turnover totaled 5.781 billion Hong Kong dollars. Shanghai Stock Exchange Composite Index was 0.05% higher at 3,075. Turnover totaled 242.273 billion Hong Kong dollars during the trading session.
Thanks for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye bye.